County in southern New Jersey, Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located